In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is the cover song feature. This tool in Suno lets you recreate an existing song in a fresh style, swap genres, and even change the vocal character, all while preserving the original melody and lyrics when your settings permit. Before you dive in, remember to respect copyright and platform rules whenever you cover or publish music. To get started, open your library, pick the track you want to reinterpret, and look for the cover option. If you see it, click it to open the cover workspace. This tells Suno you're not writing a new composition from scratch. You're asking it to transform the song you already have. Next, choose a new style. In the style prompt, describe the version you want as clearly as you can. You're giving Suno creative direction, like a producer would in a session. Think in terms of mood, instrumentation, tempo, and genre so the model understands your intent. For example, slow emotional piano ballad, cinematic style will push the arrangement towards sparse keys, swelling textures, and a film score feel. You can also tweak vocals, switch male to female timbre, soften or power up delivery, drift from pop phrasing toward R&B stylings, or flip a slow read into something more upbeat. Keep your description concise but specific. 2 or 3 well-chosen descriptors usually outperform long lists. When you're ready, click Generate. Suno will recreate the song in the new style based on your prompt and any vocal adjustments. Processing times can vary, so give it a moment. When the cover is ready, play it through and note what changed: arrangement, groove, tone, and vocal character, while the core melody and words remain recognizable if those settings are enabled. Compare versions. Listen back to back with your original and any other covers you generate. Keep the one that best fits your creative goal, and don't hesitate to iterate. Small prompt refinements can yield big differences. If you need inspiration, try classic transformations. Turn a pop track into an intimate acoustic rendition. Convert a heartfelt ballad into an EDM remix. Recast hip hop with a full orchestral palette. Mellow a rock song into lo-fi, or slow a fast tune with a lush slowed and reverb vibe. Use these as starting points and tailor them to your song. That's the essence of the cover feature, guiding Suno to reinterpret your track with clear direction and tasteful vocal choices while staying compliant with copyright. Explore, refine, and keep the best results.